Unity is strength. One day a hunter sets a net to catch birds and placed grains and rice over the net. After some time a flock of pigeons comes by and start eating grains and get caught in the net. After some time they started losing hope. Then their leader asks them to fly together up in the sky. They did as they were told and carried the net away. The hunter runs after them, but they flew away to their friend's mouse hole. Then the mouse cuts the net and freed the pigeons.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!